And welcome back, Grill and Man's Garage. We're outside again today. It's Sunday. I think it's the 16th. I think it is. Yeah, February the 16th. And I'll show you the temperature. It's about -8, -9. A little chill. It just stopped snowing heavily. It's a little bit, not heavily, but steadily. And you can see here, this is from last night. So up to about from there to there. So we've got about 15 or 20 centimeters. We're supposed to get 30 or 40 by the end of the day, so it's coming down a little bit. Let's get this in the air. What we're going to do, we have 2 more drones today. We're going back into the bag of drones I've got, and we're pulling out some oldies, but really goodies, okay? Here we have the Hubsan Zino Mini SE, okay? It's got some funny characteristics now because of the app, and they're not updating it, but I did get it to work. We're going to get it up. Going to have a look, 2.7K, and then we're going to do the what is it? Yes, the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. Okay, let's get this in the air. Let's see what happens. We're just going to wait for that satellite to pop back in again, and we'll be up and running. And that's the one thing with the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. It really takes a while to get satellites, and it goes in and out all the time. And because of where we are and what we are now, it doesn't have a very good GPS module on board. We just have to wait, okay? Here we go. There it goes. Okay, bring it down a bit. Okay, let's get this over here a bit. Okay, and we're gonna go, well, we did a little, let's do a little roundabout here. There we go, just a little flight around here. There we go, it comes around. Does a nice job. There we go, and we're gonna send it up. There we go. -8. Oh, and look at that. Thank you very much, Mr. Snowplow. Took me 2 hours this morning to do this driveway. Anyway, up we go. Let's start that video. Up we go. It doesn't have a zoom unless you are in photo mode. But we're just going to have a look at this anyway. So we're going to go up to that 39 meters, I think it was. And yeah, it's pretty chilly. It's pretty chilly already. There we go. So we're up to 29, 38 or so. There we go. Bring that camera down a bit. There we go. Look at that. So beautiful. It does have a good camera for what it was. It's 1/2.6 from many, many years ago. Okay, and we're still going strong. We have 80% in the battery. And this thing flies for a long time. A long time, about 40 minutes. I haven't had it out in a long time either. I'll have to check. I'll put up on the screen how long it's been since I had it out. Let's bring it down. Let's have a look at the house here. Come back again. And I've got to bring it in because my hands are literally like icebergs right now, because I've been out here for about 20 minutes so far trying to get GPS on this thing. Here we go. Come down. There we go. Ooh, it's chilly on the fingers. Here we come down. Here it comes. And let's come forward. Here we go. So that's the house there with all the snow. It's incredible. A little closer. Oh, other way, sorry. Down, there we go. Tons of snow. Tons of snow. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing then. Here we go. Here we go. Over here. And down. Come over here. Come on over. It's getting confused with the we go. Ta-da! And we have to stop the video. Stop the video. Stop recording. There we go. It's cold. Let's get the other one up. Welcome back. Yes, now we have the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. Version 2. It's an orange one, but as you can see, version 2. Okay? It's ready to go. It's on the pad. We're just waiting for the satellites to come back in again. There we go. Let's get up in the air. We got 2.7K, 30 frames per second. It should be really good. It's got a 1/2 inch stacked sensor, Sony. So let's get it up. Let's see what happens. Here we go. One and boom. Let's bring it down a little bit. There we are. There we are. Let's do a little fly around here. There we go. It's a little harder, this one, to control at lower heights. Yeah, a little harder. Oh well, let's turn it around here. And let's get it up in the air here. Let's get up. Let's start that video. There we go. Now it's about -8, -9 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty chilly. The wind's died down a lot. There's just a little sprinkling of snow. In the last 20 minutes, it's slowed down considerably. As you can see before, we've had this much snow overnight, and we're supposed to get the same again tonight. So let's just go out here and have a look at the house across the way. Our quick little comparison between some of the older drones we've had. Let's get it up. We go up to the 39 mark. And it's very overcast, as you can see. And we're up to 18. And we see that horizon's not the greatest, but we're up to 32, 37. There we go. Let's bring that down a bit. There we go. And we can have a look. Okay. Can we do a zoom here? Hold and up. Nope. No zoom on this one. Okay. Let's go. Well, there is in SAR. If I go in SAR, I can zoom in. But I have to stop the video to do that. So let's stop the video. Let's go into SAR. Okay. And start the video again. And with SAR, move the right dial or slide. Okay, great. Right dial. Don't have a right dial on this one. Okay. There we go. You hold the button here and you can zoom in. See that one there? There we go. And we can go down a bit. There we go. And we can zoom in some more. There we are. Zoom all the way in. Boom, boom. Other way. How far can we get in? Wow. That's as far in as I can go. That's pretty ridiculous, isn't it? Okay, let's go the other way. All the way out. There we go. Okay, let's get out of SAR. Let's hit that. And stop SAR. Okay, you're out of SAR. Start the video again. There we go. And we're going to turn it around. Have a look around a little bit. Strong winds. There it is. And we're just going to turn around and have a look at the house as we come down. There we go. Come on down. And we can come up there and come forward. There we go. Tons and tons of snow. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing because we are freezing cold. There we go. And we bring it in. And automatically stops the video. Let's get this all wrapped up, warmed up for a second, and we'll come for a conclusion. Brr, it's getting mighty cold. I guess it's not really that cold, but it is if you're out here with bare hands. Okay, so -9, -10, it starts getting really, really cold, really, really quick. For me, anyway. So, as I said, I've got to get the old snowblower out again because the snowplow went by. But we had two of the older sub 250 gram drones up. We had the Hubsan Zino Mini SE, which it has a problem with the app now. Some of the older Hubsans have problems with the app. You have to reinstall them every time you want to use them. But I did get it to work, and I said it hasn't probably been flown in almost, I don't know, at least 6 months anyway, 7 months. Anyway, so really that's just a keepsake, part of the collection. I don't think anybody would ever want to buy it, but there you go. All these drones are for sale. Whatever's on my channel, they are for sale. If anyone wants to come and buy them, drop me a line. So then we have the Fimi Mini X8 Mini version 2 with 1/2 inch stacked sensor in orange. Okay, doesn't like the same textured, the same color surfaces like water, like snow, like grass. It has a little bit of confusion there, a little hard to hover on, etc., etc. Okay, but once it's up and running, it's pretty good. And it's super packed with features. Flights and orbits. The Waypoint mission is one of the best in the industry. So it's got tons and tons of stuff. But I guess it's an old one now because now you've got the Fimi Mini 3 SE, which is their cheapest version of anything that's available. And it's remarkable. It's really remarkable for the money. Like $200, right? Just about. So there we have it. So we've had the old Hubsan. We've had the older X8 Mini. They're still flying. They still do pretty good. If you can pick them up for a couple $100 here and there, then you're laughing. That's like with case and batteries and all that kind of stuff. You're still ahead of the game. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm really cold. I'm going to get inside. So remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me hot chocolate because my hands are getting really, really cold. Okay? So till next time, take care. See if we can get something out again tomorrow. Okay? Bye now.